As your company grows, you start bringing on different software tools so your business can run more efficiently and provide better service. Maybe a sales tool, some external file storage, a billing and invoicing software, perhaps a field-specific tool. Suddenly, you're hit with an entirely new problem. All the information you need is scattered everywhere. Everyone is swamped with text messages back and forth, frantic phone calls, and endless email threads. More and more time is taken up searching for information that's already been gathered. You don't have the time to sign into 4 different softwares just to find out that you still can't figure out if the client's name is Brian or Byron. This is where the Integration Hub from Ramp Platform comes in. Offered as an optional add-on to the Ramp platform service or as a standalone offering, the Integration Hub brings all your tools into one place. Open one of your connected projects and you will see a full page of all the information from all your software tools, organized into individual modules by software. Jump directly to that specific project in one of the different softwares via a link, or where external software APIs allow, even interact with the other functions of your tools inside the hub. The Integration Hub by Ramp Platform. Your data, your tools, one accessible location.